The 2025 Lincoln MKZ is a luxury sedan that embodies elegance, refinement, and cutting-edge technology. It seamlessly blends timeless design with modern innovation, creating a truly captivating driving experience. Exterior asterisk. Sleek and sophisticated the MKZ boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior design, characterized by flowing lines, a bold grille, and distinctive LED lighting. Head-turning presence, its elegant proportions and confident stance make it a head-turner on the road. Premium finishes, high-quality materials and finishes, such as chrome accents and polished alloy wheels, enhance the MKZ's luxurious appeal. Interior luxurious haven, the interior is a haven of comfort and refinement, featuring premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and soft-touch materials. Spacious and comfortable, the MKZ offers ample space for both driver and passengers, with ergonomically designed seats and plenty of legroom and headroom. Tech forward, the MKZ is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a digital driver display, and a premium sound system. Performance, powerful and efficient, the MKZ offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a hybrid powertrain. Smooth and responsive, the car's transmission ensures smooth and effortless shifts, while its all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and handling. Comfortable and refined, the MKZ delivers a comfortable and refined driving experience with a smooth and quiet ride. Technology, advanced infotainment, the Lincoln Connect infotainment system features a large touchscreen, intuitive controls, and seamless smartphone integration. Digital driver display, the customizable digital driver display provides essential information in a clear and concise manner. Advanced driver assistance systems, the MKZ is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking.